Hey guys, Matt here from Burns Power Tools. I'm here with Tim from Makita, and we're here to talk about the XRJ06 Recipro Saw. Tim?
Thank you, Matt. This is the top of the line recip saw that Makita makes. It's 36 volts of power. It runs off two 18-volt batteries. It's a brushless motor, which means it's going to give you 50% more runtime and more efficiency. What we have here is just a regular piece of PT. Lumber's going to make a couple easy cuts. It has a toolless change, so you don't have to have a hex key or anything to take the blade in and out. It's very lightweight, and guys love the power.
There's no lack of power with this recip saw. We have them available in store or online at burnstools.com. So come see us if you can, or grab one online. Thanks.